Guys, Aqua Boy here, and I'm going to show you today how to replace the old window, and we just ripped out the old one and stuff, so we're going to show you how to put a new one. So let's get this video started. Like, subscribe this video, and give it a lot of likes, and yeah. Yeah, I have my friend Steve here.
Alright, and then we'll continue from there, so just 1 second, we'll move the window over.
So Steve, say hello to the camera.
Oh, let's stand over here. Let's film over here. Hey, what's up? We're gonna install a window today with the help of Marco. Aqua Boy.
Aqua Boy.
Woo!
So let's get started. We just ripped out the old one so you can see all this. Yeah, I know we made a huge mess. I had to vacuum up.
Show them what the new one looks like before it goes in.
Here's the new one, guys. We're gonna, this is the new one we're gonna put in, and we're gonna have a brand new window in here.
Yeah.
Should be at the bottom. That's it. Next, with the caulk.
Guys, here we're putting the wood in, and we're gonna caulk it. And you can see what we're using this caulk right here. So yeah, then we're just gonna put all this wood right here, and right here, guys, and it's gonna.
Okay. We gotta measure it first. That's good.
Guys, here's me cutting the wood. You just hold it down like that. You just cut, right? See, and then you just cut it like this. You go up, then you just cut it.
Sweet.
So that's how, if you guys have a hard time cutting wood like that, just get the saw and just go up if you have a hand saw or an electric. But if you have hand wood like this, you just go up, keep going up, then you just cut. And hit the little
Good job.
one right there.
Oh, did it stop?
Guys, here's them putting in the wood. So that's how you put in the wood for a new window, and some of the concrete came off, but I don't think we're too worried about that. And here's the caulk. We're going to be caulking this window. It's a sliding window, I think. Yeah. Here's my friends over there playing basketball.
You want to go out and dunk it real quick so I can make a video of it from here? Okay.
Here, I'm going to dunk a basket real quick.
Show them how you dunk. Woo! And that's how you dunk.
That's how you dunk, guys.
In the middle of a project.
The middle of window replacement.
Yeah. Window replacement and dunking.
Yep.
Okay.
Guys, before you caulk it, you gotta suck out all the dust. So you just suck everything out. Just like that. Yeah, you just suck it all out, guys, because if you put it up there without cleaning out the dust, it won't stick. So we gotta clean everything out. Just like that. Put the other one, guys. Yeah.
All the way through.
That sucked. We smashed the fingers.
Yeah, well, project over if that happened.
Oh.
Okay.
What's weird?
Good. Just need a little wood on my side.
And
Yeah.
like a chunk of wood right
And
here.
it's easy to do that.
Guys, so you can see up there if you like. And down
Yeah.
here, we got the window in, but
Yep.
we got a little crack right here. So put wood or caulk right there.
Yep. We're going to put some wood in caulk. And we can even it out, even put it in the middle, and a little bit of wood here, a little wood there.
That's
Yeah.
why you need this one.
That's right.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
4, So alignment, that's one for alignment.
That's the
Or-
for alignment, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna